Okay, so yesterday I did not finish doing what I was planning on doing, but we did get a lot of stuff done. The only thing we didn't do was move the chicken coop, and I was a big baby about it, right?
Yes.
Big, huge baby. We didn't get that done, but I got a lot of stuff done in the house, so I feel really accomplished, and I'm gonna try to keep that motivation going today. The baby is sleeping right now. Look at her. Very cute. So I'm gonna try to do a HIIT workout at home, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart when she gets up. Max is editing his keyboard video that he did yesterday. So we both were very productive. Okay, bye. Right, working out did not happen because I dilly-dallied for too long. She woke up from her nap. Right? Where are we gonna go? We're gonna go to Walmart. Yay! Someone is dressed. Look how cute she is. Our bow is from Kite. Our sweater is vintage, courtesy of Grammy. Our onesie is Carter. Our pants are who knows? And our footies are our footies. She tried to do an outfit reveal for everyone. Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed now, and then we're going to Walmart. We are going to Walmart. I'm dressed, sweater, thrifted, pants, Old Navy, fake Gucci belt, Amazon, Docs, a little bit of makeup, a little bit, nothing crazy, and we are going to go to Walmart, and we're gonna go put the doggies away, but first we gotta do the baby. Okay, see you after the store. Team one trip only. All right, we're way past the nap. We're going to sleep. Say bye. I gotta go let the dogs out now. I just put her down for a nap. We ended up going to the bank because I needed to cash my check. And we went to Aldi's instead of Walmart because I'm trying to save some money. We love saving money. We love that. Okay, let's see. Let's see the doggies. Those are some good puppies. Those are some good puppies. Mondays I have to work late, so Max is probably gonna put Violet to bed, and it makes me sad. It makes me sad because that means that my baby's gonna be asleep when I get home. I'm eating this piping hot pasta that I just made because as soon as Max walks in the door, I have to leave. Dairy free. This fake cheese is slam jammin'. Slam jammin'. So good. 10 out of 10 recommend. The dinner that I made, bad, not good. We're finishing off the night on a rather low note, if we're being honest. My vitamins, stolen. What did I get? Bible. Got Bible, fried chicken, and no vitamins for this evening. Tomorrow will be a better day.